u tahay intaa yareed haysato qof baa hadduu heli lahaa wax way samayn lahaa believe in yourself aamin nafta yare kugu jirta aamin kartidaada war waa suuragal dadka kuu sheegay inaanay suuragal ahayn waa beenaalayaal don't listen to them adigu dhageysana.
But I want to say to you, get up. Your future is brighter than your past. I want to say to you in the balcony, get up. Your ladder is greater than your former. I want to say to every person in this room, get up, because the best is still yet to come.
ninkii ku haleeli jiray hadduu ku hareer marmara halbaa jira kaa dahsoon duruufaha kugu hurdaa awood hinjisay rabaan uma dhalan hootadee hilaadaha kaa gadmaa hariiriyaha kugu dhigee adiyo hooskaad rabtana haadaan baa kala dhex taal kartiya waa howlkarnimo buundada lagu halabsada.
Every business, I have 5 companies now, we'll do 100 million this year. I started every one of those companies with no money. Zero money, man. Just hustle and grit and courage. I've called on people I didn't want to be with. I've done things I didn't want to do, okay? It is not about doing what you love. It's about doing whatever it takes to make your dreams a reality, to be closed and stay closed. If you're not closed on your product, if you're not buying your own product, why would you expect anybody else to?